Morning, Mrs. T.
Morning.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Well, you're not, are you? Because I've made you drink coffee instead of wine.
Exactly.
Well, we survived lockdown 2.0. Well, I did.
I'm still in my pyjamas.
You had some work done the other day, didn't you?
What?
You had some work done the other day. Your hair.
Oh, God, don't ask.
Your funky bob. Anyway, different story. We'll share that another time. Look, guys, we're doing this today because I've had so much flack because I didn't show you how to make waffles. So here you go. We're going to do some waffles.
Not only that, did he not only show you how to make waffles, I didn't have any at the end of it. So.
No, and
yes.
turn that around.
So you weren't the only ones to give him flack, it was me too.
Finished?
Yes.
Okay, right. Cadac Safari Chef 2, high pressure HP. This is one with the gas canister.
High pressure HP. Sorry.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put the gas canister on here, so that's a good bonus. Then we're going to cook some waffles with the waffle iron, which I showed you on another video, and we're just going to serve it up with fruit. We've got some pomegranate, some raspberries, strawberries, blueberries. I don't understand blueberries.
I love blueberries.
I don't understand them. What do
you mean you don't understand them? They don't speak a different language. What are you talking about? You don't understand them.
I don't know why they're here. I don't know what the use is. I'm sure there's somebody out there that will turn around and give us some idea that they are something that's so ecologically born to the planet.
Aren't they good for releasing toxins or something?
I don't know, but I should imagine that the only thing they've done, if we didn't have blueberries, we wouldn't have dishwashers or toothbrushes or something.
Okay.
So you don't understand me
I
either.
haven't got a clue what you're talking about.
Moving on. Okay, so look, here we go. This is the gas canister that screws on to the high pressure Cadac Safari Chef. So let me just move that jug. Very simple. I demonstrated this before, but I didn't put the gas canister on it because I was inside. It literally goes in there. It's got a screw on it. Just get that thread in the right place. Screw that on.
Oh, you hear it?
You hear it engage.
Oh, hear it engage.
Tighten it up.
Yeah.
And that's all there is to it.
Oh.
There's nothing else that you need to do. Bit of a smell of gas when you do that, because obviously the gas was escaping as we were putting it on, but that is now safe. And this is why I say this is really, really good if you want to go backpacking, put it in the car, go out for a picnic for a day. Are you warm enough there, my dear?
Yeah, I've just put my hoodie up. Shut up.
It's a bit nippy, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it was a bit.
So look, this is really good because it's so portable. So there you go, that's what we've done. We're going to be cooking on here today. We're going to be using...
So that was your justification for buying another one, was it?
Because it's different.
So you can take me on picnics and be romantic. Okay, shut up. Carry on.
Right, okay, so everything else is normal. So we just then need to turn it on, get the heat going, and off we go. But before we do that, let me just show you. This is what we're using today. Vlogged in another video. It's the waffle or waffle iron or waffle maker. Put the mix in there, leave it on there. The whole idea of this, then this heats up from the Cadac, and then you
I have a
open it
question.
up. Yeah.
Can you use that at home as well?
Of course you can.
Oh right, yeah. On the oven.
On the hob at home.
As long as it's not induction.
Yeah. You watched the video, did you?
No, I read the back of the packet.
Oh, okay, right. You can use this on a hob at home. You can use it on an electric hob, gas hob. You can use it on a fire, anything. But you cannot use this on an induction hob. It won't work. £24, £25 from Amazon, and I think this will last us for years. Grandchildren are coming, or 2 grandsons are coming over later. I think we've got to make them some waffles.
Absolutely.
I don't think we're going to get away with it.
No, we're not.
So that's it really. And then I've got the waffle mix, which is meant to make life a lot easier. This is the waffle mix. I've got 250 grams in there from the bag.
What's the make of the bag? What's the make of the... Was it the bottom? I saw it at the bottom.
JMP Home.
JMP for the home. Well, there we go.
Again, I got it off Amazon. I think it was £8.
It's a stupid question, perhaps, but I don't suppose it's gluten-free, is it?
I doubt it.
No, I doubt it, yeah.
Anything else? Any other questions? Can I get on?
Sorry, yes, carry on.
Okay, fine, thank you. There's 250 grams in there. Now, I don't know if that's going to be too much. We'll soon find out. We've got 180 millilitres of water, 40 millilitres of cooking oil, and then of course we've got various sauces to go on the top. We've got some maple flavoured golden syrup, we've got some chocolate sauce, and of course all that fruit, and I think we'll get on with it.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Okay, right, let's get this mixed up together. It's a bit windy out here, so no doubt
you're going to get it in your face.
I'm going to get it in my face, but let's just, I didn't think this through. Where's my tablespoon? There we go. go, just pop that in there. And the actual waffle mix does smell quite nice.
Let's have a whiff.
Hang on a second.
Hang on. Stick it in my fingers. Oh, it tastes just like flour with a tiny bit of
I think
sweetener.
it's very, very similar to Yorkshire pudding mix.
Yeah.
Actually. And then just pop in the oil. I'm just going to save a little bit of oil back. I'll show you why in a minute. Pop in the water.
That's supposed to be perfect, is it? Because it says on the back,
It's
isn't it?
supposed to be perfect. So mix it all up together. Give it a good old mix. You can whisk it, you can beat it, you can use a blender, not a blender, a mixer to do it, but the whole idea really. If you're on a campsite, you haven't got a blender or a mixer or a magic mix.
Well, we always have, but never mind, usually. But we're just old.
So give that a good old. So look, that's quite a thick
It is, isn't it?
sauce.
Cool.
Would you, I don't know if you call it a sauce, would you?
No, it's a batter mix.
isn't it?
Yeah, batter mix.
So there's the batter. Got all the bits around the edges. Yep.
Good.
Okay.
Easy, easy, easy.
Right, that's that.
Right.
Okay, let's go here. Let's fire up Cadac.
Uh-huh.
This is the first time this is fired up, so we're hoping it's going to do it pretty quick. Let me just turn it around so I can see what I'm doing. Yep, there we go,
wow.
straight away. Perfect. No, it's gone out.
Is it 'cause it's windy?
Or has it gone out? No.
No, it's, I can hear it.
Yep, that's definitely hot.
Good.
Okay, we have got some breeze going on here today, so yeah, it's getting nice and hot.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Okay, what I'm going to do, just to get that plate a bit hotter quicker, pop that on top just to heat it up. In the meantime, what we're going to do is grease this, and that's why I just held a little bit of that oil back earlier. Just pop that, a little drop in there, little drop in there. I've got a piece of paper towel here. I'm just going to wipe that paper towel around there, just get it a little greasy.
Has it got to go on both sides?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just checking.
Okay.
Turn it up, shut it and turn it upside down, it might drip.
Don't think so.
No, I said shut it, turn it upside down, it'll drip into that bit. That's my thought process.
Yeah, there's not enough there for it to drip.
Oh, right.
Actually, obviously don't leave any paper behind.
You just might be a bit input.
Sorry?
Never mind.
Put that down there, turn it over. Might drip.
Shut up! Not now you've wiped it all off. Obviously.
Drop in there as well. Drop in there. Just enough, just to stop it from... But it is non-stick anyway, but they do
Yeah.
advise you just put a little bit of...
Now you can use that fry spray, or the spray oil, can't you?
Yep.
But I always find, and I've always found before, that my spray oil always leaves a film for some
You've
reason.
said that, haven't you?
Yeah,
Actually,
and I just, it does worry me.
Okay, so there we go. Got a bit of oil there. So what I'm going to do now, it says you don't fill up the reservoirs,
Yeah, otherwise it will come out the edges.
otherwise it comes out the edges. So let's just see. And guys, don't forget, this is the first time we've done this, so this is not...
Should be enough.
Making a right pig's ear of it.
Oh, of course you are. That doesn't matter, does it? It's homemade, isn't it? Like.
A bit more in there, I think. Could be that it's just a little bit too...
Okay, don't put
Yeah,
too...
but it's got to expand in the bit at the top.
Okay,
So, you know,
okay. I'll let you off.
give me a break. This is called cordon bleu cooking. Right.
I just think if it comes out the side, it's me that's got to clean it up.
Absolutely. Right, I'm going to shut the lid,
Okay,
and then I think all we do next
right,
is place it on there.
right.
And from what I can understand, from all the instructions,
And all the reading.
that's all we need to do.
Right.
And then we wait for it to cook.
And then it says steam comes out the side.
It does.
And then it says it's cooked when all the steam has finished coming out the sides.
Yeah.
Is it hot?
That's very hot, so
Oh,
that
good.
should be heating the iron. This obviously is not quite hot yet. but it should be heating up underneath. So I think what we'll do is we'll clear down some of our mess.
Whose mess?
My mess.
Okay.
And then we'll come back. We'll have a sneaky peek and see what the
I
waffles
wouldn't have a
will look
sneaky
like.
peek. I'm not going to have. No, I insist you don't.
So how long do we leave that there for?
Until the steam stops coming out the side. That's what they said.
Oh, can you see any steam yet?
Not yet. No.
Neither can
Well, it's
I.
not hot enough yet. You
Okay,
have
look.
to create heat inside to create steam.
Good. Right, let's do a little bit of cooking, a little bit of clearing up, and we'll come back to you again shortly.
Okay.
Okay, so it's been 3 minutes now. We've had a bit of clear up. We've
Yeah.
taken a phone call. We haven't got any steam,
No.
which is unusual, but let's have a look.
Well,
Can
is
you,
it
can you
unusual?
just come down and have a sneaky peek inside, see what's going on?
Oh.
Oh, it's rising.
Oh.
Okay, let's shut that.
Oh, it's still wet though.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. I
I'm
just
gonna
imagined it to be.
Pop the lid on there just to
Right.
try and build the heat up inside there because it is quite a chilly day today.
Bloody freezing. My fingers are cold.
So, but we'll come back in another 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to see if we can show you some steam.
There was some
There was
steam.
steam.
Oh, there is.
There's a bit of steam
There's
there.
a bit of steam. Yeah, I can see it. We can see it.
So are we?
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
So we're still cooking. do you
Yes,
think?
apparently it says
Okay.
until the steam disappears.
So this is now. We've been cooking now for about 10
10 minutes, yeah.
Okay. Full gas
Yeah.
for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I've kept that on there because it is a bit windy today, and I just wanted to keep that iron hot. So if you've got a windy, chilly day, just pop the cover on there. That's quite hot to the touch. But I think we're working. Another couple of minutes, I think, and then we should have some Belgian waffles. Okay, I think we're 15 minutes in. Let's just have a. The steam seems to have just about finished. Look at that. Yeah, that's a nice waffle. Let's just turn it over and see if that comes out. Yes. Look at that, Mrs. T.
Wow.
Right, let's turn that gas off.
Do you reckon it's finished now then? Is that done?
Done, done.
Yeah.
Done, 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 done. I think it's done. Right.
Good.
Let me find
I was going to fall off
a
then.
knife. I seem to have lost a knife.
Oh well, never mind.
The other knife one. There it is. So let's see what we can do. I'm just going to split that. It can
Oh.
split, and it's a
Oh.
lot easier for
Cool.
cleaning. So I'm just going to split that because it's easier to lay on there. It looks as if it just needs a little bit of persuasion to do
It
that.
smells like wonderful.
Let's just.
Smells like a fun fair.
Look at that. Couple of gorgeous waffles there, and they're nice plump waffles as well. Yeah, right, let's pop one on there. I'm going to do a little bit of sort of loveliness with it.
Loveliness.
Yeah, because you know you do. So yeah, looks nice and spongy on the inside. Sure, somebody will say to me, shouldn't be spongy. It should be. Oh, that's a bit crispy, that one, which
Oh,
is.
that's what it's supposed to be,
I
isn't
think
it?
it should be, yeah. So if you want it a bit crispier,
Keep it in the oven for a bit
keep
longer.
it in there for a bit longer. Okay. Do you want some strawberries on yours?
Oh, of course.
Whoops.
I want whatever's going.
Some strawberries. Do you want some pointless blueberries?
You know how to sell them, don't you?
Pointless blueberries. Tuck them in the holes.
I'm not a great lover of pomegranates because all it tastes like to me is a load of pips.
Well, get stuck in your teeth, don't
Exactly.
they? We can take them out and clean them.
Quite frankly, if you're talking about pointless fruit, pomegranates is the pointless fruit. I mean, I used to love them when I was a kid, but now they get stuck in, as I said. You know, it's like...
Yeah, but take your teeth out and clean them.
You're so funny.
Oh yeah, one of the longest. Right, what do you want? Maple or chocolate or both?
I'm gonna have a bit of both. Is that terrible?
No, it's not.
Oh, good.
So,
A little bit of both. Don't need to smother it.
a little bit chocolate on that side. A little bit of doobly. Oh, look at that.
Let's.
Oh, I'm dribbling.
Are you?
There we go.
Right.
Look, everybody. Look at that. Waffles with some fruit and some chocolate sauce and a little bit of golden syrup on there. All cooked on the Cadac Safari Chef 2. How wonderful does that look? And I think once you get the hang of this, you could be knocking out a couple of these every few minutes, every 10 minutes or so, once that heats up. And you can have them queuing up around the campsite for that.
Yes.
Use this on your barbecue at home. You can have they will be standing there with their plates. Look, it just goes to show something else you can do on this little piece of magic from Cadac. We love it. It's so much a part of our lives. I hope you've really found that interesting.
Can you hurry up, because I need to eat it now?
Oh, okay. Please give us a thumbs up if you have, because the more of you that do that and the more of you that hit that red button and subscribe, we can bring you things about this. And tell us as well your recipes. Let us know what you do. Let us any hints or tips, because other people read these and it's really important. So that's it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate you following us. Stay safe and bye for now.